Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone.
Today we will be discussing how to change the vibration pattern on your iPhone. It's easier than you think. First, let's open the Settings app. Then, scroll down until you find Sounds and Haptics, and tap on it. Next, you need to choose which tone you want to customize the vibration for. For this example, I'm going to select Ringtone. Now, scroll all the way to the top and tap on Haptics. Here, you'll see a list of default vibration patterns. But if you want something unique, click on Create New Vibration.
This is where the fun begins. Simply tap on the screen when you want your iPhone to vibrate.
The app will record your tapping pattern. So, let's create something cool. Short pause for demonstration with music. Alright, now that we've recorded our vibration masterpiece, tap Save in the top right-hand corner. You'll need to give it a name. I'm going to call mine Example. Type in your desired name. Once you've done that, your custom vibration will be added to the list, and you can select it from there. We just selected our example vibration. Now, let's see if it works on other tones too. Go back and select another tone, for example, text tone. Scroll to the top and tap on Haptics again. And look at that. The example tone we just created is also listed here. You can use it for any other tone on your iPhone. So we've successfully changed the vibration pattern on our iPhone. See?
It's pretty simple.
And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching Fix Zone.